Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a great way to lose your ham fat. Okay, have that snatched looking beautiful ham. Okay, so if you want to know what all of the ingredients comprises, just stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now I would also want to tell you that this ham fat is equally going to help to remove your belly fat, so it is like two in one. Okay, let's go. So to get rid of your ham fat, I'm going to be showing you two ways in which you're going to get rid of ham fat. And the first one is this particular one, which I am going to be showing you. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be sorry, this is Aboniki balm. You can get this in the Nigerian store. Okay, so this is Aboniki balm, and I'm going to be scooping just a little into this bowl. Okay, so this is Aboniki balm, and what we're going to be putting into this is ginger powder. Okay, this is ginger powder. Yeah, so how to process this, although I bought this, I didn't actually process it myself, but you can still process it. Just get your fresh ginger like this one that I have here, and then you cut everything and dry it under the sun. When it has dry, then you blend it. You blend it. There you will be having your ginger powder. Okay, so this is actually the first step to this. This is the Aboniki balm, and I'm actually making a little, because just a little is what you need. Okay, so that is the first one. Okay guys, so this is the Aboniki. I've actually applied it. I didn't even know the camera was off. Yeah, so this is the Aboniki side, and you have to apply it onto your hands. Okay, so you have to apply this generously, okay, so that it will help in melting out all of the fats, and you're just going to see it in your eyes, like you're going to see what is going to come out from your skin, like a whole lot. Yeah, so this is Cliffine, and this you can actually get it where they sell baking things. Okay, so what you do after applying this, you're going to be using this to wrap your ham, your belly, or wherever you want to remove those fats. You just use this to wrap around that side, just like that. You make sure it is super duper tight, so that hair will not find its way inside. And man, I'm going to be coming back to tell you how it is. Let me show you how to apply the second method. Now the second method, I actually didn't record it, so I'll have to be doing that again. Okay, the camera messed me up, man. So I put in the Aboniki, and then what I put in is rub, just a little bit of rub to activate the Aboniki balm, to make it, sorry, Vepo rub. This is it, Vepo rub. Yeah, And after I put in this, I then mix it up together. This is actually really hot here. Now after I mix that up, then I now use ginger. Okay, and I'm putting much ginger. Okay, so the ginger is actually very required for this, guys. You have to use your dry ginger. So after I put in that, I now mix it up. And this is what you get here. Okay, so this is what you did not see, and this is what it is. The first one I've actually already recorded it, but the camera was off. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so for the Aboniki balm, I'm actually going to be losing it because it's actually pretty hot. Yeah, so what is going to happen is that you have to leave this for it to stay for like hours, or even till the next day if you can. Okay, what is going to happen is that it's going to make you sweat a whole lot. Like, trust me, look at how my hand is. It's actually beginning to sweat. I've only put it for like 15 minutes and it's actually beginning to sweat so much. Look at that water. Yeah, I don't know if you can actually see that. It wasn't like that. Yeah, so and yeah, when you put it till the next day, you're going to sweat really well. Okay, so that's basically how you're going to be using the Aboniki one. And for that of the vapor rub, you equally take it and then you rub it onto your arm, your belly, just like this. And you have to rub it enough so that it can actually do the job. Okay, so after which you rub it generously just like this, then you equally get the clipping. This clipping, you can get it where they sell baking things. I've actually said that before. I'm actually repeating it in case you didn't hear. Okay, so you tight this, you make this really tight. You wrap it again. Make sure that there's no hair entering it. Okay, what I mean is fresh hair, like breeze, the natural hair getting into it, so that it's going to help so much to, you know, just be there. It's going to hot and it's going to make you sweat a whole lot. Now if you can keep this for at least hours, it's better. If you can keep it for till the next day, it's equally good. Okay, now this is actually very hot compared to this particular vapor rub one, but anyone you can actually use to, you know, is equally going to be very effective, and it will give you all the results. Yeah, so for this particular one, you can leave it till the next day and you're going to sweat the fat out on your arm and in your tummy. Yeah, so basically that's just how you're going to get rid of your arm fat. Although anywhere you want to get rid of fat, you can just apply this and it's going to work equally. So that's it, guys. It's actually it's actually great. Yeah, so if you want to apply, if you want to get rid of your belly fat, you can apply it there. Anywhere you want to get rid of, you can just apply it there, and it's gonna be super duper great and beautiful. So if you do find this video interesting, helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye guys. Mwah.